pacing back and forth. Oh, I don't understand why you're standing right here. All your shots have scored. No, scratching at the scars you left on my skin. We fight and we fall and we rise through it all till we find what we want, then we lose it all again. Your touch on my skin, pull me close, take me in. Just me, just you, lost in the moment.
Hi guys, if no one has told you today, you are a gem. Yes, you are precious and you definitely have something to contribute to this world. I know it. Hi guys, it's Karen. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new, hello. I'm really glad you clicked on this video. I do hope that you will decide to stay and subscribe before the video is over. And my returning gems, thank you so much for coming back. I have Glam Bag X, and this is the only bag or box I will be unboxing this month. I have gotten rid of Boxycharm after 2.5 years of being faithful. I have gotten rid of FabFitFun, but then, you know what, I got rid of it for fall, but I'm getting one for winter, and I'm not sure when it's coming, but you know. And those are the only two boxes that I have right now. I do get fashion stuff, but I unbox that over, well, I do a short with, you know, so you could see it. But I'm going to be unboxing Glam Bag X today. It is the collaboration with Huda Beauty, and I don't remember exactly what I have chosen. I'm excited. This was $50 or $55, and it's quarterly, and you get like 8 full-size items, and the value should be over like $350 or something like that. So the value is definitely here, but I'll tell you what, subscription boxes do add up, and I've saved some money, so I'm kind of like, all right, okay. Woo. Here she is, Glam Bag X. Let's pull out. Huda is beautiful. Okay, so it always comes with like a newspaper kind of thing in here, and obviously it's going to be information about the curator, which this is supposed to be her favorite products and stuff like that. So we're going to go through this here. I'm going to put the prices of everything probably on the screen for you, but let's see what we got. I do remember choosing this. The facial Radiance pads by First Aid Beauty are amazing. They've got glycolic acid in there, so they do help exfoliate and they do help uneven skin tone, and it definitely does help to brighten your skin. So it's almost like if you were to use like a lemon juice, you know, lightens. This here, plus it gets rid of like the dead skin cells and stuff like that. So these I love getting them. Super excited because I was almost out. And the price on these things, I believe, is like $36. Okay, so now I got this big thing here. Oh, this is the other thing I think I chose. I think. You know what? I didn't open these for you. Let me just show you what they look like in here. They have the little ridges on the pad. They are amazing. Okay. Put that aside. This here, let me see. This works. In transit, no traces. These are cleansing pads to remove makeup. And these are actually good too. Like a lot of you ladies that go to sleep with makeup on, if you keep these on your nightstand, you can quickly at least get some of it off, you know? So that was at one point in my life, years and years and years ago, before, you know, I got really into skincare and this process, you know, aging. I was like, I need to take better care of my skin and get off all my makeup. Okay, this is what these look like. There really isn't a scent or anything like that, but there's a good amount in here, so I can always use these. So this is another like check, definitely. All right, now, okay, let's go in here and see. Complex Culture Oval Paddle Brush. Yes, $28 value. It says it's vegan. All right, I've been looking for new brushes. My hair is thin. I don't like anything that pulls. Ooh, this feels good, nice and soft. Yeah, I will definitely use this. Awesome. I do like the bristles. It has like your tall bristles, but then it's got like short ones in here. So, okay, cool. I'm excited about that. Oh my goodness. I don't know how many more of these things I can get. This is a different color, but the PMD, I mean, I rarely use it. And it's good for putting serums in your face. There's like a high price value on this too. I want to say it's like $99, but maybe it's gone down considering they're everywhere now. I don't know. Let me see. Yeah, $99. Oh my gosh. Clean Smart Facial Cleansing Device in the shade Warmth. So this here, you can use, I'm sure you guys have seen it. You can use for your cleansers, whatever you want. Basically, the massaging, what do you call it? Here we go. The massaging effect just helps your skin get a little cleaner, and then it does help, like it's got different options for pulsating and different things like that. There's like quite a few options in here too. Okay, this one comes with a battery. It goes in the bottom. You basically, it will get the job done. It will definitely help. It's really, really soft too, so you don't have to worry about that, but it is raised, and it will definitely help, you know, if you're using it as a cleanser, it's going to help get your face a little bit cleaner because it's got these little bristles down here that are going to help by taking away the makeup and all of the junk that's in your skin. And then, you know, you can use the other side too, to when you're done using it as a cleanser, to use your facial serum. Okay, so I'll probably give this to someone as a gift is what I'm thinking. Get back in here. Stop it. Ugh. Okay. Next, wow, my box looks bare to me. Wishful Yo Glow Enzyme Scrub Gommage. All right. Obviously, this is some kind of cleanser. Let me see what the value is on her. Yo Glow Facial Enzyme Scrub, $39. Unlike most scrubs, I designed this to be used over dry skin. So save the water for your rinse off. Wait a minute. So it's a scrub that stays on your skin? I don't know. Packaging's cute, pretty basic. There is a seal. I'm just curious to see what the consistency is. It is a scrub, but the beads, are they disappearing? Yes, if you press it in hard enough, the beads disappear. So I'm guessing you could use this as a moisturizer as well. Okay. Let's see what else we got. The Huda Beauty, ooh, the Overachiever Concealer. Definitely been wanting to try this. Let's see what she is worth. $30. All right, let's see if the shade works for me. Graham Cracker, 16G. All right. I don't know. Here it is here. High Coverage Creamy Concealer. Okay, I like this style here. But you gotta be careful not to get too much. Ah, okay, let me see. This is definitely not my shade, but I do tan in the winter, so it's possible I might be able to use this at some point. This is the shade here. I'm just gonna use my finger to blend so I can see the coverage. Okay, this is something that dries down super fast, so I can almost tell you I'm probably not going to like this concealer, but you definitely need to have a moisturized face before you use it because it's one that will settle into fine lines. But it may be okay. I'll try it on a separate video and we'll see from there. All right, let's move on. Gold Fading MD Deep, ooh, Problem Deep Lines. Needle-less solution, line smoothing concentrate. Okay, I'm about her. for sure. I'm all about this. Be trying this out. $165? Stop it. Oh my gosh. All right. It's got a seal. We have to try something here. We have to see what it does. I mean, this is just a little insane. Wow. Oh, okay. Super liquidy. It feels like a very light moisturizer. It's like a gel. I'm gonna be honest right now, like a gel. So I don't see how it's gonna have plumping capabilities. Not really a scent. I just don't see this working. Now, mind you, it'd have to sit on my skin for a little while. Here's where the concealer is. There is where the gel moisturizer, that's overpriced. Okay, the last thing. No palette. My goodness, is this Rare Beauty Empathy? It is a lip balm, $16. Okay, I like lip balms this time of year. My lips do get dry. It's cute packaging. Rare Beauty is Selena Gomez's line. Let's see what kind of color this has. That is what it looks like. Okay, so it's a pinky. It leaves a little bit of a pink tint, which could make your lips look nice and fresh. So that's something that I will use. Okay, the packaging is a little, yeah, there we go. All right, so let's recap now. Now I do have some of the other things in here that some of you might be getting. The mascara, the Huda Beauty Diamond Lip Balm. That one is pretty neat. Okay, so the Rare Beauty lipstick, the Gold Fading, see, moisturizer, the Yo Glow Enzyme Scrub / Moisturizer, the PMD Massaging Tool, the Radiance Pads, the Huda Beauty Concealer, the brush by Complex Culture, and the No Traces This Works makeup removal pads. I think that's everything. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 items. All right, now tell me, what did you think of my box? I mean, be honest with me. I think it's a little bit overpriced, but overall I'm happy with it. I definitely am. I want to say thank you for taking the time to watch this video. I do want to know what you guys think. Did you get the Glam Bag X? Was there a palette out there? I mean, let me know all of that down in the comments below. I can't wait to talk to you guys there and hear what you have to say about this month's Glam Bag X. And maybe I'll sign back up for Boxycharm for Luxe, but I can't promise that I will. I don't know. Let me know. Do you think I should? All right, guys, thanks so much. I will see you really soon in another video. Bye.